Welcome to our guide on day trading in the Indian stock market. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this video is for you. Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into the world of day trading in India. Let's get started. First things first, understanding the basics is crucial. From bulls and bears to IPOs, the stock market has its own language. Technical analysis is your best friend in day trading. It's all about predicting future price movements by studying past market data. On the other hand, fundamental analysis is about evaluating a company's overall health. Think of it as doing your homework before investing. Choosing the right broker is like choosing the right partner. Look for low brokerage fees, a reliable platform, and of course, excellent customer service. Before you dive in, you'll need a Demat and trading account. It's like your gateway to the stock market universe. Practice makes perfect. Start with a virtual trading account to get the hang of things without any real risks. A solid trading strategy is your roadmap. Define your entry, exit, and always have a plan B with stop-loss orders. The stock market is ever evolving. Stay updated with stock market news and apps. Knowledge is power. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. And always manage your risks. Review, adapt, and grow. The market changes, and so should your strategies. Patience and discipline are virtues in day trading. Stay calm, stay focused, and let your strategy guide you. And that's a wrap. Day trading in the Indian stock market can be exciting and rewarding. Equip yourself with the right knowledge, tools, and mindset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy trading. Subscribe for more trading tips.